Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to open up Instagram. Now in Instagram, we need to access our profile icon or our profile account. So at bottom right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Now in this case, we all know that Instagram actually has this feature, which in this case, you can actually connect all your different accounts in Meta. So whether you have like multiple accounts for Instagram or in Facebook, you could actually connect them into a one connection, meaning that you could basically access the other account via this account here. But in some cases, you might want to remove that. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to go to the three bar icon at the top right of the screen. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to Account Center. Now in this case, scroll down a bit and use the option or click on the option that says Accounts. Now in the account section, you should be able to see all the accounts that you have in your account here. Now if you want to remove an account, go ahead and just click on the remove button that you see there, and it would redirect you to another page. In this case, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove the following account from this account center? Now in this case, you can go ahead and just click on remove account here. And from here, just click on continue to basically remove the connection from your account list. Now, in this case, it will actually it will remove the functionality of you actually logging in from this account to another account. So you won't have the connected experience that Instagram has to offer. So logging in across accounts will not be available, and sharing across profiles will not also be available. Now, in this case, just click on continue, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.